Si Congressman Dan
foreigners.
Fernandez.
Do they have AEP? Alien Employment Permit?
OIC Bureau of Immigration Commissioner Attorney Ledesma.
Mr. Chair, please, according to the records, they were charged under Section 37A7 because they were not properly documented and they did not have valid working visas and permits.
Yes, correct. But the case against the 249 Chinese nationals were all dismissed. In other words, hindi sila na-deport.
That is correct, Mr.
At
Chair.
nandito sila sa Pilipinas, gumagala pa rin sila. Now, ang tanong ko sa iyo, the process of getting a 9G visa is to have the AEP.
Mr. Chair, please, the process of issuing 9G...
No, answer me. Ang sinasabi ko, the process of getting a 9G visa is to secure an AEP coming from the Department of Labor and
Yes,
Employment.
Mr. Chair.
Correct?
Yes,
Tama.
Mr. Chair. That is
Okay, ang tanong ko sa iyo, Atty. Ledesma, yung 249 na pinakawalan ninyo, meron ba silang AEP na galing sa DOLE?
According to the records...
According to the records o according to the DOLE, did you have a due diligence sa DOLE about the AEP prior to your issuance of 9G visa to those 249 Chinese nationals? Di ba?
Wala, Mr. Chair, kaya hindi makasagot si Attorney Ledesma.